Hello everyone! Let's learn how to prepare a delicious Brazilian corn cake.
3 eggs, 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of corn flour, 3 spoons of flour, 100 milliliters of oil, 200 milliliters of milk, 1 spoon of baking powder. Now that's the easiest part. You just have to put all ingredients together and blend them. Make sure that all ingredients are well mixed and put them in a baking tray. Put it in a preheated oven at about 200 degrees Celsius and bake it for around 40 minutes. That's it, guys. Just wait for it to cool down and serve. It's perfect with a cup of coffee. We meet again on our next video Dica. Bom apetite!